So someone had a good question from chapter 6, section 2. It was number 16. So we know the p-value, um, but we don't know how many people are in our survey. We don't know n, but we do know p. But I want to have at least 10 people in the study to have earned at least a bachelor's degree. So if we think of the formula, n times p is our mean, means our expected value. Let's look at, instead of n times p equals mean, to find n, we would do the mean, which we want to be 10, and we divide it by our p. So that means we should want about 43, so we're going to round up because we're talking people. So we have 44 people. So again, that comes off the formula n times p equals the mean, the formula we've used with the other questions. But in this one, we're solving for n. So we would divide the mean by our p. Now this next one, they want a specific probability. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use StatCrunch. We don't have to use any crazy formulas. There's only one like this. But we do need to get into that binomial calculator. And we want it to be at least 10. We know that our mean is 0.2, or our proportion is 0.23. But how many people do we need? Like if we had 10, these would give us the probability that it would be greater than or equal to 10, which would be very small. In our sample, we did 44. We find out that 57% of the time, we have at least 10. Well, if we want to get that number to the 0.945, that means we're going to have to sample more people. And so I would just say, let's shoot for a number like 100. Well, that we don't need that many people. 0.945 is what we're looking for. So we're just going to do some figuring on this one. So not 70, oh, 50. Oh, 50 is not enough. 60 gets us closer. Oh, so we can do less than 65. So more than 63. So it looks like 64 is the number that we need. So 64 people. So hopefully that helps with number 16.